Well, good morning, railway fans. Cajon Pass. Got a triple combo of trains here for you. Now you're going, wait a minute, that was only 2 trains. Well, you know, Buddy's always getting that triple. So yeah, we got another one on the way. So stay close, stay tuned. You got about 60 seconds to grab a beverage, maybe a snack. Yeah, check out that forced locomotive. Got an H2 second up. That first one might be an H4. Look how little the BNSF is on that. The third one, I believe, is an H3. And I could be wrong on those 2, so let me know. I won't take it personal, and I'll learn something. Looks like a tier 4 up top. ET 44. C4 is my guess. Got a crossing here, so they usually don't give me a 2. Dash 9 second up. GP60M-3, I think. Still working. They say this train was tied down about a mile back there, so it's just getting up to speed. Well, Buddy got you another trifecta. I would get him out of here, but he's sitting in the air conditioning. Working the phones, calling the dispatchers. Keeping it running for us. Well, if you like paint, these auto racks are always representing that. Looks like they rearranged the panels on some of these auto racks, like that third one in front of those big ones there. See, it's kind of like a jigsaw puzzle. It's not together right. I guess they cannibalize them. Make 2 into 1 or whatever. I love these big hotel racks. They're accordion style in the middle. That way they can load and unload them 2 at a time instead of 1 at a time. And it saves a lot of time. You can see they're articulated between the middle cars. They share axles and trucks. I think a lot of these BNS trains come out of San Pedro area. They're dropping off cars from Victorville to Barstow probably, and points beyond. Yeah, they had a burglary out here earlier this morning, and I didn't get close to check it out. There was some police and some people picking up packages. Looks like they had most of it cleaned up, but they did stop all the trains for a couple hours, so. Train's not picking up a whole lot of speed, is it? I think all 4 of those locomotives up top were working, weren't they? Good 2% grade here, plus. Nice long video for you guys. Kick back, relax, fall asleep. Use it for whatever you need to. It's definitely soothing. I just got bit by an ant. There's some ferocious red ants out here. You get a well for 2 or 3 days afterwards. It's not fun. One just got me in the back of my leg. Let's hope not. Yeah, they get up in your pants. I've had bites in some very sensitive areas. Sometimes of the year they can fly. All of a sudden you'll find one in your neck. Maybe, like I say, you'll find one up in your crotch or something. No bueno. I got the drone up earlier, and my last 2 times I tried to get it up. I tried to get it up before this threesome here, but my gimbal is stuck. So as soon as this is done, I got to fix that. I'm not sure what the deal is. Pinkerton security went by. They waved at me. There's only one fool out here. He's down by Blue Cut area. Pretty much let him have it the other day. He tried to kick me out of an area that's definitely not railroad property. And he was really just a fool. But I know some other guys out here that work for Pinkerton, and they work hard. But tell you what, the trains keep getting burglarized. They can't stop it. I talked to some BNSF officials, and yeah, they're not too happy with Pinkerton or any of them. It's like the burglars are always one step ahead of them. Well, I had a lot of low sun to my right earlier. I'm going to try shooting to my right now. I think I can get away with it. Norfolk Southern, that's going to be Union Pacific now, I guess. They should name the new railroad Southern Pacific. My hunch is they're going to keep it Union Pacific, and that's what they've done with all the other railroads they've taken over. But I don't know if they've taken over one as big as Norfolk Southern. So we'll see. Yeah, I'm liking the new tripod. I'm getting used to it. I kind of bumped it funny a couple times, because like that right there. Yeah, I don't know all the handles and stuff on right now. The legs are a lot wider. Well, we hope you liked that triple header. I'll let Buddy know you did. Please leave a comment. Say hi. Share with your family and friends. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give us a like. Auto rack. Main track number 1. Eastbound. All right, thanks for watching. Watch a couple more. Buddy and I love you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.